Welcome to Ealing Clean. In this short training, we'll cover the essentials of staying safe, providing excellent customer service, and delivering a high-quality clean. The goal is simple: keep yourself safe, make the client feel great, and complete every job to our professional standard. Safety is always the #1 priority. Before any cleaning begins, pause and check the environment. Look for obvious hazards. Make sure you're wearing the correct PPE. Confirm that you know how to use any equipment safely. Ensure the customer understands where the safety zone is. And always be prepared with a plan if an issue occurs. The impression you make on the first visit matters. A job done well today prevents complaints tomorrow. Being consistent, organized, and attentive to detail shows professionalism and builds trust. When you leave a great first impression, clients return to you again and again. That saves time, reduces complaints, and creates a reliable long-term relationship. Customer service is about more than cleaning. It's how you communicate, behave, and make clients feel. People may forget what you said, but they never forget how you made them feel. Great customer service is meeting customer needs at every level. Not just completing tasks, but doing so with good manners, professionalism, and a friendly attitude. What clients expect is good service. What surprises them is going the extra mile. Good service spreads quickly. Clients who receive a positive experience recommend you to others. With social media, even one happy client can influence hundreds of potential customers. But negative experiences spread even faster, which is why every interaction matters. When something goes wrong, stay calm. A complaint isn't the end. It's an opportunity to fix the issue and rebuild trust. Prevent problems before they happen by being on time, being polite, asking questions, setting expectations, and avoiding promises you can't keep. Always ask for feedback. If a client expresses dissatisfaction, listen fully without interrupting. Show that you hear them. Offer solutions, or return to fix the issue if necessary. Provide helpful recommendations when appropriate, and when possible, go the extra mile. Small actions create big loyalty. The words you choose shape the customer's experience. Positive language builds trust and avoids conflict. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "What I can do is, quote, absolutely, certainly, with pleasure," or "I can do that for you." Confident language creates a smooth experience for the client and sets the tone for the rest of the visit. In a competitive industry, doing tasks correctly is expected, but showing spirit, friendliness, and care sets you apart. Clients remember cleaners who make them feel valued. Put heart into every job, and you'll stand out. Follow these principles: safety first, excellent communication, strong organization, and genuine care, and you'll deliver a service that clients love and trust. Thank you for being part of Ealing Clean.